Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sana. You are watching Sana Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to teach you how to fix Instagram stories music not working on iPhone after iOS 17 update without wasting any time. Let's start this video. Solution number 1, check your internet connection. Ensure that your iPhone has a stable internet connection either through Wi-Fi or cellular data for connectivity and problem is fixed. If solution number 1 is not working, now applying this solution number 2. Solution number 2 is update your Instagram app. Firstly, tap on App Store, search Instagram app, open the Instagram app, check the app update. If update are available, update your app and problem is fixed. If solution number 2 is not working, now applying this solution number 3. Solution number 3 is check your iOS version. Firstly, tap on setting app. You can see appears on screen. Scroll up, tap on general, tap on software update. If update is pending, download and install the update and problem is fixed. If solution number 3 is not working, now applying this solution number 4. Solution number 4 is check music app permission Instagram. Firstly, tap on setting app. You can see appears on screen. Scroll up, tap on Instagram app. It has a permission access your music and problem is fixed. If solution number 4 is not working, now applying this solution number 5. Solution number 5 is reinstall the Instagram. Select app which you want to delete and reinstall app again to App Store and problem is fixed. If solution number 5 is not working, now applying this solution number 6. Solution number 6 is reset all settings. Firstly, tap on setting app. You can see appears on screen. Scroll up, tap on general, scroll up, tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset setting, tap on reset all settings. Enter your iPhone passcode. You can see appears on screen. Reset all settings. This will reset all settings and your Apple Pay cards, keys and passes will be removed. No data or media will be deleted. Tap on reset all settings to confirm this action and problem is fixed. If all solutions are not working on your iPhone, simply contact with support.apple.com and fix your problem. How to fix Instagram story music not working on iPhone after iOS 17 update successfully. That's it. If the video helpful to you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.